Today's home workout is a 7-minute lose weight workout by your qualified trainer, Wyndham-Read. So let me just stress, this is just for health. We're not doing this to look a certain way. And this workout is designed so it is low impact, but it is super fun. And the clever thing is, it's also full body. We are working near enough every single muscle group, which is why we're going to get amazing results and have fun at the same time. So we're going to start with a quick little warm up, then I'm going to be doing the workout with you. So if you're ready, let's get started. So just follow along. We're just going to start with doing these 10 little side steps. So this is just a lateral step from one side to the other, and just give me a little bend through the arms, and this is just going to really help to mobilize joints. Arms up now, give me this knee bend. Again, we're just doing 10 of these. This is just going to help prepare your body for the workout ahead. Just draw those arms down now. Just give me 10 of these reaches across, nice big circle with the arm. That's good. And it's also just going to help to really increase your core body temperature. Well done. So we are now ready for the workout, and I'm just going to do a quick preview so you can just see the first move. So just watch. We're doing 4 power punches, then you take your arms up and you're going 4 of these traveling kicks. We take it forwards and backwards. So let's get ready and take the arms up for me, and now give me 4 of these traveling forward kicks. Now 4 power punches. That's good. Arms up and travel that back. So just keep repeating this. So you can see on the right hand side, that is your 7-minute countdown clock, and on the in front you can see that timer bar that represents 45 seconds. That's how long we're doing this first move. So let's just keep that going. And it's a really fun workout today because you've got different moves, 7 different moves. So it is going to fly by, but the great thing is these are full body, low impact cardio moves. All right, that's good. Keep going till that arrow reaches the top on there. Power punch with those arms and just march it now on the spot. So we've got 15 seconds recovery. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. You can just see a preview of your next move. And so for this one, we're going to be doing these drive high knees, and then we're taking it to fast feet. So give me 1, take it up 2, let's go 3, 4, and then give me 4 fast feet. So it's 4 of these knee drives, then 4 really fast feet, keeping that going. That's good. And so really put power as you drive those knees up. And this is also really good for your core as well. So think about really pulling in the core tight. That's going to help with stabilization. Then give me those fast feet, keeping that going. And this is really going to increase your calorie burn. It's going to strengthen through your heart. We're working balance, everything here. Keeping that going, doing really well. Drive that knee up as high as you can, then take it back to those really fast feet. That's good. Keeping that going till that arrow reaches the top. All right, well done. So just march it out for me. Again, take a deep breath in, deep breath out, and we'll have a look at the next move. So for this one, we're going to do 2 power kicks, and then this time we're going to do 10 fast feet. All right, so let's get ready. 2 power kicks, and now on your own time do 10 fast feet. Then when you're ready, then give me 2 of those power kicks. Just keep that going. So the idea is this is really good cardio. It's going to get your heart rate up. We're increasing your fitness. Doing really well. Keeping that going. Power that through. That's good. And also, don't forget, on my website, I've got all these different challenges. These are completely free. I don't need your email. There's no subscription. They are just there. They're full guides helping you with nutrition, with motivation, everything. They're there on my website. So just keeping that going. That's good. And well done. Once that arrow reaches the top, let's bring that straight back now to a march. So next move coming up, we're just going to do these lateral side steps, and we're just going to alternate with the arms with double punches in front and then up. So it's 2 in front, then 2 up. And this is really good because it also works your coordination as well, and what we refer to as agility. So keeping that going and really put power through those punches, and you can make this move as fast as you want. And just think what you and I are doing right now, and as your qualified trainer, I'm about one thing, and that is about getting you in your best health. You and I are investing in your future health. So let's keep going. Punch those arms up for 2 and take them in front for 2. That's good. And this also is a really good, nice lateral move. So we're working the lower body, we're working your upper body, and we're still really engaging through your core. All the way to the arrow reaches the top on there and just march it out. All right, that's good. This is your opportunity to get your breath back. And you can then see the next move. So we're going to have some fun with this one. We're going to do these arm pull downs with hamstring curls, but you're going to start with doing 2 and now take it to just 1 on each leg. Now take it to 2, 2, and now single. So you're going to alternate with double, double, and now take it single. So again, this, I really want you to be working your mind as well. This is where it's really good for mental fitness. So just keep that going. Keep that sequence of a double hamstring to then a single. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. And also here, really lovely upper body exercise. And you can see here, we are flying through this workout. We've just got 2 moves left after this one. And we've nearly finished that move, so just march it out. So get your breath back and we can have a little look at the next move coming up. So this one, you're going to take a knee up and then you step the opposite foot behind. So really remember what leg you're lifting to start with. So you're going to drive that knee up, then tap that foot back, drive that knee up, tap that opposite foot back, and keep going. So this one here is working through your abs, you're working your arms, you're working your thighs, you're working through the glutes. It's a really good full body move. And remember, all these moves really help with healthy weight loss because they're going to increase your calorie burn for hours after this workout as well. All right, halfway through this one, let's just keep it going. Doing really well. Drive that knee up and step that foot back. Make the move as big and dynamic as you can for me. And just remember what knee you're lifting. So we're going to do the same in a minute on the opposite leg. All right, all the way to the arrow reaches the top and just march it out for me. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. So we're repeating the move, but now we're going to lead with the opposite leg. So that's why it's important to make sure you're using the other leg. And we'll get ready. Knee lift and then tap that foot back. So drive that knee up and really pull in those abdominals as that knee comes up. That's good. And the great thing is with this workout, because it's just using body weight, it's just 7 minutes, you could do this first thing in the morning and you could also do it at lunchtime or later on in the day. And alternatively, you could even repeat this twice to make it a 14-minute workout. And at the end of the workout, I'm going to leave the time so you can rewind to start it again if you want to. Drive that knee up. That's good. Keeping that going. Keep those core muscles tight, doing really well. Now, what is important is we're just going to keep marching. So we've got to complete those 7 minutes. So just keep those feet moving, keep going. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. That's good. And if you want to repeat this workout again, rewind to this number. Or just keep those feet moving and bring that heart rate back down. And if you're wondering where the princesses were, I'm going to show you. They didn't come in today to the workout because it was a lovely sunny day. So they were outside and they had just eaten. So well done. That is now your workout complete. So there is your high five. Now you've got 2 options. If you want to carry on doing exercise, then you could pick any of my 5-minute workouts. I've got a playlist here for you. Or if you are finished for today, then all you need to do is click on the link over here in the corner and that will take you straight to my cool down stretch. So well done for today. And remember what you and I have just done. We've just invested in your future health. So I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.